There you go.
There you go.
Sharpen up. Sharpen up. That's it. That was fine. Good. And you can, it doesn't matter how many strides you put in here, Jen. If four works better for you, that's fine. Which we definitely going to after that. Good. Much better turn. Much straighter up and down turn. Okay, I hated your last bend. Okay, why don't you do the last two and the last three bends again, Jay? Come around the turn to the gate and keep coming forward. You sort of lost him as you came around by the gate.
Oh, that was a nice four.
Very nice. This is the change. Now